Hello, today is 21st of February 2023, and let's make a short video about latest development in the market. As yes, it seems that it start to rolling down, and we got last week confirmation of uh, okay. It's not confirmation, but it is more like more like change in the market dynamics that shows us what is happening at the moment. And what we have, since you can see this is 20th of December, where we have this is weekly volume profiles, and this week we have the last week that make a lower low and lower high. Next week was inside week, so we make higher high and lower. Higher lower high and higher low, and then we make higher low and higher high. And this was the period when we make pretty rotational. We have rotational, so it ends up it was accumulation, and then we start to grind up all the way through each week, make a higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and higher highs as well. And before 2 weeks, 3 weeks, actually now we have this double distribution profile on volume profile on the weekly chart, and the next week with the point of control at 4,150. The next week didn't make still make a higher low, but didn't make higher high. So this was a change in the market behavior. We have these two distributions, and the week after that we just feeling a bit inside of this volume gap mostly, and our VPOC was in this gap, you know. So the next week or last week, what we have like some sort of acceptance picture inside the, just a second, to make it okay. We have acceptance picture inside the 2 weeks before, like higher distribution on the lower part of the higher distribution. We print a higher VPOC as well, but the point is that we on the CPI or PPI, I don't know what was this spike up, we couldn't take the high of the previous week, and after that, this was at the beginning of the week. After that, we are chopping in the bigger range. We were chopping in this area, print the one distribution, then we hit with this double high. It's poor high in 2 days. We hit it is poor high in 16th of February, yeah, and it stopped at this low volume node edge, and then we start to go down. And what is happening actually, that we have some acceptance picture here with distribution with VPOC here, but we make another lower distribution here at the end of the week, and this was Friday, and we closed in this lower distribution. This usually means the change in market condition, and it was the first week that take the low of the previous week as well. Sure, we have some support here, but in this prolonged Globex from the yesterday, from the Sunday evening or yesterday to the right now, we break this low. So this week make another a lower low, and as you can see from this chart here, it is essentially is there is no prominent distribution in this Globex, so price is we are in the price discovery mode at the moment. What could happen today? It could happen. What could happen today that we will so at this low volume gap, it's some sort of change. It's happened change in market condition on this move down here. So we could possibly retest this distribution from the last week and then turn down again. This is for instance, this is my main bias. My main bias for today. My main thoughts as well. What we have, we are coming into the 40-47. This is a quarterly VWAP, and we are in the imbalance down on the monthly, and we cannot use weekly because it's just a messy because of holiday yesterday. But what we need to see, this is this here a breakout of the VWAP was the last change in market condition. In my opinion, it is still not retested this change in market condition. So markets have tendency to retest these changes, and so that's why I am expecting we will come and retest this low volume node before we keep going down. And today Globex not profile but Globex price action giving me some sort of suggestion that what will happen is something like this. But RTH Open could go lower, maybe to 10,000 delta level, then chop a little bit around, and then go up to positive 10,000 delta, and this could mean that we will rip up, retest volume gap, and turn down. So be careful today, as after the long weekend, some sort of order flow that will come at RTH Open, it could be pretty erratic and hard to read. Anyway, right now we have some dissonances in the in our moves, and our target is this quarterly VWAP at 47, or eventually, if we break really low, then it is area of 4,000 century figure, and it is quarterly value area high from the last quarter in the last year. Now, Will this be just a pullback on the yearly, or we will keep going down? It is still not clear, but uh, my other charts and my other analysis shows that it is possible that we will make a new leg down in the bear market, and sure, it's based not only on the charts but also on some fundamental analysis and possible reactions of the Fed and interest rates and all these things. Okay, this was short video just to tell you mostly about this profile and the changing behavior of the market, um, and what what could happen today. So be careful, have a nice day, and trade well, and take just clean shots. Don't go with any trade that is not clear in your head about your entries, your targets, and how much risk you put on, what is your risk reward, potential risk reward, and how you will manage this trade if it goes your way or if it goes against you as well. Anything is possible at the moment. I'm expecting move up in general today, but this move up shouldn't be sustainable in a longer period, longer time span. So have fun today and don't blow your accounts. You will need it tomorrow as well. Goodbye.